A secret carried on a gentle breeze. Echoes of lies and distant seas. Whispers of the wind in the dark of night. Carving paths where dreams take flight. It hums a tune, no wrong, no right. A fleeting kiss, then out of sight. It danced through valleys, kissed mountain peaks. It knows the language no tongue speaks. A timeless wanderer softly sneaks. His voice a comfort, a love it sings.